In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change location on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to head over to Settings. On Settings, at the very top, tap at your name to move on to the Apple ID. Then, down below here, tap at Media and Purchases, and then select View Account. After a couple of seconds, you will be taken to the Account Settings, and that's where we need to search for Country/Region. If you tap on it, on the next step, it will say you that changing your country or region will cancel any automatically renewing subscriptions. To continue, tap at Change Country or Region. Then select a country from that list, and after that you will be able to set it as a default country or region on your device. So that's how you can easily change location on an iPhone, and if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.